The North Texas Greenbelt is a 1,500-acre corridor that follows the Elm Fork of the Trinity River as it flows south from Lake Ray Roberts to Lake Louisville. Managed by Texas Parks and Wildlife, it includes a 22-mile multi-use trail system, 12 miles for equestrian use, and 10 miles for hike and bike use. Kayakers instantly leave the frantic pace of civilization behind when dropping into a silent world of wilderness created by the river's pristine shorelines. The Greenbelt serves as the front door to neighboring communities and receives their strong support. In 2009, volunteers formed the nonprofit Greenbelt Alliance to help preserve the scenic natural beauty along the trails. An affiliate, the Lake Ray Roberts Equestrian Trail Association, raised funds to construct a new equestrian bridge across a deep washout. The bridge reopened 4.5 miles of trail. Conservation easements along the Elm Fork protect the wildlife and land for tomorrow's generations. Escape to the natural world and experience the Greenbelt, our region's natural treasure.